Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power m minus n. The same thing as a raised to power m over a raised to power n. This here, we have 4 raised to power x over 4 raised to power 1 plus. Also here, when we have a raised to power m plus n. This same thing as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. This here we have 4 raised to power x times 4 raised to power 1 equals to 60 on this side. That is next step. I write this as 4 raised to power x times 1 over 4 raised to power 1, which is 1 over 4 plus. So here we have 4 raised to power x times 4 raised to power 1, that's 4, equals to 60 on this side. This here, 4 raised to power x is common. Factor it out, we have 4 raised to power x. Then into bracket, we have 1 over 4 plus 4 left here, close bracket, equals to 60 on this side. Then we bring this fraction together as well. We have 4 over 1 here. That is, this becomes 4 raised to power x. SCM here into bracket. SCM that's 4. Here we have 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 in 4, 4. 4 times 4, that's 16. Close bracket, equals to 60 on this side. That is, here this becomes 4 raised to power x times 1 plus 16, that's 17 over 4, equals to 60 on this side. Then here, I remove this 17 over 4 by multiplying both sides with the reciprocal, which is 4 over 17. Also multiply this side by 4 over 17. This here, this cancelled each other. We are left with 4 raised to power x equals to 60 times 4 over 17, which implies here we take the log on both sides. We have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 60 times 4 over 17 on this side. We apply the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. This here we have x log 4 equals to log 60 times 4 over 17. Then next step, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b over c, we can write this as log a plus log b minus log c. That is, what we have here becomes x log 4 equals to log 60 plus log 4 minus log 17. Then we divide both sides by log 4. Divide this side by log 4. Also divide this side by log 4. So this here, log 4 cancelled each other here. We have x equals to log 60 plus log 4 minus log 17 over log 4. Now, separate this into 3 fractions. We have x equals to log 60 over log 4 plus log 4 over log 4 minus log 17 over log 4. And here, log 4 cancelled each other. One left here, which implies x equals to, can write this first as this one plus log 60 over log 4 minus log 17 over log 4. Then next here also 60 can be expressed as 4 times 15. Then what we have becomes x equals to 1 plus log 4 times 15 over log 4 minus log 17 over log 4. At this, we apply the law of logarithm here, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 4 plus log 15 over log 4 minus log 17 over log 4. This, separate this into two fractions. This becomes x equals to 1 plus log 4 over log 4 plus log 15 over log 4 minus log 17 over log 4, which implies here also log 4 cancel each other. We have 1 left. This x equals to 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus log 15 over log 4 minus log 17 over log 4. That is, from here, we can decide to leave our answer in base 4. And from change of base, when we have log A over log B, this same thing as log A to base B. This here, we have x equals to 2 plus log 15 base 4 minus log 17 base 4. As this, we have the value of x in this problem. And let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This will substitute the value of x here in this problem. And what we have becomes 4 raised to power x, which is 2 plus log 15 base 4 minus log 17 base 4, then minus 1 plus also plus 4 raised to power 2 plus log 15 base 4 minus log 17 base 4, then plus 1. Is it equals to 60 on this side? Then from here, we have 2 minus 1. When we bring it together, that's 1. We have 4 raised to power 1 plus log 15 base 4 minus log 17 base 4, then plus also here 2 plus 1, that's 3. Right, that's 4 raised to power 3 plus log 15 base 4 minus log 17 base 4. Is it equals to 60 on this side? That is, when we apply the law of indices here, and separate this, and we have 4 raised to power 1 times 4 raised to power log 15 base 4, then divided by 4 raised to power log 17 base 4 plus also here we have 4 raised to power 3 times 4 raised to power log 15 base 4 over 4 raised to power log 17 base 4. Is it equals to 60 on this side? Then 4 raised to power 1, that's 4 times this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. Here we have 15, then over 17 plus also 4 raised to power 3, 4 multiply itself 3 times, that's 64, then times also 15 over 17. Is it equals to 60 on this side? Then here 4 times 15, that's 60 over 17, then plus 64 times 15, you have 960 over 17. Is it equal to 60 on this side? That is, yeah, we bring this together as one fraction. The SCM is 17. And yes, 60 plus 960 give us 1020. Is it equals to 60 on this side? 1020 over 17 give us 60, which is equals to 60 from here. That this left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude here that x equals to 2 plus log 15 base 4 minus log 17 base 4 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn on notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. And see you next class. Bye for now.